Welcome to 401 Dixie Infiniti, where today we are looking at a 2014 Infiniti Q50. Please sit back while we give you an in-depth look at this sedan. The Infiniti Q50 was designed to deliver high performance intensity and state-of-the-art originality. Its exceptional build quality, fuel efficiency, and output can be measured and demonstrated with graphs and stats, but the true excellence of the Infiniti Q50 engine is in the feeling unleashed as you drive. Its finely tuned transmission creates a smooth ride and ensures a nice boost of power when merging or passing on the highway. Its gorgeous exterior contour and curves are matched by its incredibly well-crafted interior. The Q50 is an all-around great choice, proving that it sacrifices nothing for its lower price point. Here at 401 Dixie Infiniti, our sales team of Infiniti enthusiasts are ready to share their knowledge and experience to find the perfect vehicle for you. As part of Dilawri Group, we pride ourselves on being part of Canada's largest automotive group, operated by the Dilawri family since 1985. Our Dilawri Rewards program ensures you get the most out of your purchase. Complimentary with every vehicle purchase, our membership allows you to save up to $1,000 on your next vehicle and share rewards with family. Offers of bonus cash for referrals and 10% of every dollar spent on services will be added to your account. The Dilawri Group of companies is committed to offering world-class products and customer service that builds a lifetime of customer relationships. We invite you to stop by, meet the team, take a test drive, and experience firsthand the 401 Dixie Infiniti difference.